Hey guys, welcome to Login Up. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Dropbox account online. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Dropbox account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in dropbox.com like this and don't enter. And then you'll be redirected to the home page of Dropbox, whereas on the top right corner of your screen you can see the sign in button available over here. Click on sign in, and after that you'll be required to enter your email address and your password with which you have signed up for a Dropbox account, or you can simply continue with your Google or your Apple ID, whichever you choose, but we'll be logging into our account with the email that we had registered. With that being said, let's click on email and enter the email address, and after that enter your password and click on sign in. And guys, we have successfully signed into our Dropbox account online. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.